Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. Let's take a look at an Indian market stock, and we are going to be trying to figure out if there is anything on the charts, and this is a long-term monthly chart, anything on the charts that would have given us the lows here and here. Well, you have to go and figure out where the stock had this nice run up here. It began somewhere here. Clearly, what we need to do is figure out where the RSI broke out. There you go. So this RSI entry was good enough to begin this nice movement to the upside. So let's clear all that again and go back to, let's draw our line. RSI breaks out, prices make a low, they start moving higher, and you have this nice uptick after that. So the stock is telling us that from this level it can launch a rally. Now let's extend that line, which is what I call the uniformity method, and there you have it. So anytime we get any type of uniform action to the line and back above it, it should be good for a rebound. Uniform action support here below the line, back above it for the lows right there. So that entry, our first entry in studying those lows, and then also here we came close, uniform action support above the line for the lows there, which is our second entry that we are trying to investigate if there was anything on the charts that would have clued us into the potential for a move higher. So it's a very simple method that I call the uniformity method. Check the description of the video for a link giving you more examples and more explanation about this method. So my plan was to end the video right there, but I see something on this chart that is worth discussing. Was there anything that would have given us these lows here, 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 and here? And of course we can see every time we made a low on a monthly chart, we had a little bit of an uptick or a swing trade to the upside. Anything on the charts that would give us that idea? Number one, we can see that this corresponds with support above RSI 50 with uniform action, support here, uniform action, support here, uniform action above 50. Well, this one is well above 50, but it is support. Now there's another way. Let me show you one way, which would be my preferred way. And it goes back to the break line here. Let's just take this break right there. Once we broke down here in 2013, we go into this drop or a slide zone. What we can do is now take that information and draw our straight line. And there it is. So we know that if we come back to this line after spending time below it, if we show any type of uniform action, resistance, that would be a sell signal. In this particular example, we see that actually what we get is movement above the line, which is actually a buy signal. We come back and test the line. It is for these lows right there on a monthly closing basis. We come back, we test the line with uniform action. It is for these lows here on a monthly closing basis. We come back and test the line again here, which is these lows. Again, so support here of those lows, support on the line with uniform action for those lows right there on a monthly closing basis. So there you have it. The RSI gives us a lot of insight. Keep in mind this is a monthly chart, so you'd have to narrow it down in terms of timing by going to the weekly, the daily, and the hourly so you can perfect your entry. But the monthly chart gave you nice reasons or reasonable expectations that there would be a bounce based on the fact that the stock was coming repeatedly, finding support exactly on the line that was a break line in 2012 or towards the end of 2012. So the break line there ultimately became a buy signal and became support since 2014. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. E-A-C-S.